What's up, guys? It is Wednesday morning and I've got 12 orders to ship out. Let's get to work. All right, first thing is in B41. It is this Canon light. It's a speed light. This is like 240 easy or 540. I can't remember the model number. Let's see here. Yeah, 540 easy. This was on a bulk buy just recently made. I've maybe got $5 into this thing. Sold for $24.99 plus shipping. All right, we're going to B32 next. Sold this Canon lens. Image stabilizer, what is this? 75 to 300 millimeter. This one had a couple issues with it, so I sold it as is for $44.99 plus shipping, and I've also got about $5 into that. Next, we're coming down to B6. I sold a PlayStation 1 with 2 controllers. Didn't have any games with it, but it sold for $34.99 plus shipping, and I've got close to $10 into this one. All right, next we're coming over here to E4. This is a Lego set. This is Jurassic World. Let me move this fan out of the way. It's December. I don't think I still need a fan. This was incomplete. It was missing some of the minifigures, but besides that, it was mostly all there. It had the big dinosaur. I listed this for maybe like 130 or best offer. Somebody sent me an offer of 110 plus shipping, and I accepted. All right, next order's in B33. Let's see, I sold 2 of these to the same buyer. These are Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess perfumes. I'm gonna have to take off these stickers. These are the stickers like that were on it when I got them at that sale. I got a ton of perfume at one sale, all new in the plastic. I want to say I paid like $500 for everything, and I'm way into the profit on that buy. These 2 sold for $100 free shipping. Next thing is this vintage Pioneer receiver. This is the SX650. Had to sell this for parts. If this thing is fully working, operational, and has a really good cleanup job and restoration, these can go for hundreds. But as it is, I sold it for $80 plus shipping. I'll show you guys how I'm going to pack this. I'm going to use lots and lots and lots of bubble wrap. And here's my box. It is taller than I need, so I went ahead and scored the edges with these little handy dandy like scoring tool. And then, so once it's scored all the way around, I just cut each corner, and that's going to basically make the box smaller. It folds down like that. Each of the flaps will fold down. I might have shown this to you guys before, but in case I haven't, I'm going to show this to you. I got this a couple years ago. This is a tape dispenser for packing tape, and I really like having it because when I'm packing something and I'm wrapping bubble wrap around it, I've got one hand on the bubble wrap, and then I only need one hand to get a piece of tape. I used to use like I'd have to set the bubble wrap down, use both hands to get a piece from my tape gun, but this thing has been a huge game changer. I think these things run about $20-25. I don't know. It's definitely paid for itself, but if you guys are interested in one of those, I'll put a link down in the description below. All right, it's bubble wrapped really good down in there, and I put a ton of extra packing paper to the point that it is overflowing. So applying a tiny bit of pressure to get these flaps down. Now, what you can do is, once you're getting these flaps down, and you've got these flaps down as well, there's some overlap. You've got some overlap here, so if you want to cut down on weight, you can just make one cut with your box cutter here. Personally, I just like the extra protection, the extra padding, especially with something that has some serious value and a lot of weight to it. So a lot of times I just leave those flaps as a little bit of extra protection. Now, since I had to apply some pressure to get all that down in there with the packing, that means I have to use extra tape. So a lot of times what I like to do is I'll do one strip of tape this way to help keep the flaps down, and then I do several this way, because as much as this thing gets handled in transit, I've seen packages like pop open just because there wasn't enough tape applied. All right, next we're coming up here to A1. Let me get this lid out of the way here. This is a train set, Mantua Collectibles Super Bowl Express, new in the packaging. Massive box. Got this at a garage sale 3 or 4 months ago. Paid $50 for it, and I had it out there for like 140 or best offer for a while and was not getting any offers. Somebody finally sent me an offer of $100 plus shipping, and I accepted. All right, we're going back to B43. Sold another lens. This is a Canon 28 to 105 millimeters. Let's see, what did this sell for? It sold for $49.99 plus shipping. All right, next we're coming to C41. sold this Logitech remote. This is the Harmony Harmony 650. These are really good if you ever find them. They got some decent value. This one sold for $35.99, free shipping. Next thing going out is this Comfort Alert HVAC. It's like a little control board thing for an HVAC system. Viewer named Caleb bought this, so thank you, Caleb. That sold for $24.99, free shipping. All right, going back to B33. I sold this Nikon camera. Got this in a bulk buy. Maybe got 25, 30 bucks into this. It is the FM2. Pretty sought after camera. I did sell it as is though, just because I don't have like film to give this thing a full test. Took a best offer of $140 plus shipping. Last thing going out is a Pyrex bowl. Let's see this one right here. I had this listed for about $25 or best offer. These do better when you've got like the whole set of them, of these nesting bowls. This one I just have the one. It is 1.5 quarts. And this color I don't think is super popular. I want to say it's like called sandalwood or something. The bright colors do really good. The pinks, the blues, the yellows, those kind of vintage Pyrex bowls. This one I took a best offer of $15 plus shipping. This didn't sell for a ton of money, but I'm still going to take the time to make sure I pack it right because I do not want this thing to break. So I put some packing paper in there, stuffed it down to fill that gap, and I'm going to bubble wrap it. Then I'm going to take a piece of cardboard and wrap it around there, and then I'll put it in a box. Alright, so I've got a massive piece of cardboard here. I probably don't have to use all of it. I'm going to take my scoring tool, and I'm scoring the cardboard at a couple different sections. And what this is going to let me do is fold it up, and then I'm going to fold it again where I scored it. And you can kind of see what we're working with here. Got a little bit of cardboard. So I'm going to fold this last piece over and cut this. And then I'll tape this over. And then we're going to box it. Not quite the same as double boxing it, but it is getting it a lot more protection. All right, I've got this all taped up, and I've got a box. I'm going to put some packing paper in here, then I'll put the bowl in, and then a little bit more packing paper. All right, that's good to go. I realize it probably looks like overkill for a $15 item, but I really don't want that to break in transit. Thursday morning, I got a handful of orders going out. We're coming down here to these records that I listed. Just made a big buy recently, and there was a lot of really good vinyl records in here. I got a German release of the White Album, Zeppelin, and the one that sold is Kiss. Let's see here. Where's it at? I think it's like a triple album. Yeah, the originals. The sleeve of this was really not in good shape. Vinyl was in so-so shape. And it had all like the original posters and everything. That sold for $39.99 plus shipping. In case you guys are curious how I'm going to ship this, I always put vinyl records in some kind of poly bag first, and then I put them in a specific record box. So this is made to ship records. It's got all the perforated edges. I think you can ship like up to 6 or 7 in these because it's got the perforations at different spots. So you can fit in more than just one. So you can kind of see, like if you folded it like that, you can fit more than just one, or you can just kind of fold it flat if you're just shipping one. Probably kind of hard to tell, but yeah, we're gonna put this in a poly bag. This poly bag's pretty big, probably bigger than what I need, but it's gonna do the job. Just give it an added layer of protection. It's not specifically made for records, but it will do the job. All right, seal that down, push this over, and we'll start with these flaps, and then these flaps. These record boxes aren't super cheap. I can't even remember how much they are. I want to say there might be like 50 cents or $1 each, but they're really the best way to ship records in my opinion. If you guys have some records and you need boxes like this, I'll put a link down below in the description. Next, we are coming to C61. I sold this UMA telephone set. I got this in a bulk buy. I've maybe got $1 or $2 into it. I really don't recommend buying these unless you can get them for next to nothing. This had like 3 of the handsets. It had the base. It had all the little bases for the handsets. I listed this for like 40 or best offer, and sold comps on this thing were not good. Sell-through rate wasn't good. I just wanted to throw it up there and see if I could get something for it. Somebody offered me $25 plus shipping, and I accepted. All right, sold another record. Also, Led Zeppelin. It's Led Zeppelin 1. Let's see here. Where we got this one right here. I'm a huge Zeppelin fan. My favorite Zeppelin song is The Ocean. I know we got some Zeppelin fans watching this too. Let me know in the comments what your guys' favorite Zeppelin song is. This sold for $24.99 plus shipping. All right, we're coming to B32 next. I sold a Minolta camera. Let's see, I think it's this one right here. Listed this as is. That's the SRT 201. Nothing really that special. Took a best offer on this for $20 plus shipping. Going to B52 next. Sold a Velociraptor mask. These things are so cool. This one sold for $24.99 plus shipping. I've maybe got $2 or $3 into it. It came with a really big toy buy I made a few weeks ago. Coming to A51 next. Sold a Canon lens. This one is 20 to 35 millimeter. It's the EF. This one sold for $89.99 plus shipping. Also part of a bulk buy. I've got maybe $5 to $10 into that one. All right, next order has 3 items. First thing is an A32. It's all paper ephemera, so I'm gonna pull them all and then I will show you guys what it is. Let's see, A51's the next one, and the last one is C41. Where's it at? Right here, let me pull these out and show you guys what we're looking at. So I recently picked up a bunch of old paper ephemera, and these were in there. Really, really, really cool pieces. These are discharge papers from the Civil War. One was from 1863, one was like 1865. Just amazing, amazing pieces. I love selling old stuff like this. And same buyer sent me an offer on all 3. The pricing on these were kind of all over the place, so it's tough to really figure out what to sell it for. I paid $100 for an entire box of paper ephemera, and these 3 I listed at $70 or best offer. Somebody sent me an offer of $50 each plus shipping on the 3, so total of, I'm sorry, I think it said plus shipping, then it free shipping. This one unfortunately not in great shape, but it did still sell. So the 3 sold for $150 free shipping. Next sale is a really special piece. This is the Beatles White Album, but this was a German re-release. I think the year was 85, and they are white vinyl. So I'll pull these out just so you guys can get a look at them. This was in the same buy I made with the paper ephemera. It was a huge lot of stuff. I paid $900 for everything. That included some really cool records. There's the white vinyl. Just a really awesome piece. This sold for $170 free shipping. All right, last thing going out is also some Civil War discharge papers. Different buyer this time, but it was the same offer, $50 free shipping. That is it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Got you some fresh water, bud. Wow, skipping right past the grapes and the marshmallows, huh? You must be in a hurry today. See you tomorrow, bud. Left the breakfast untouched. That's a first.